Are you concerned about your website's security? You should be. Today, we're going to talk about how we turned great protection into a digital fortress. Think of ModSecurity as the security guard at your website's front door. It's a web application firewall, a powerful filter that inspects every visit, looking for malicious activity. But even the best security guard needs a rulebook to know who to block. And that's where the Comodo rules come in. They are one of the most respected rule sets on the market. It's an excellent groundwork that provides broad protection against thousands of threats. This protection was maintained and updated until 2024, giving us a fantastic and reliable foundation. But since the internet never stops, what was secure in 2024 is no longer enough today. That's where our experience comes in. For over 10 years, our WordPress plugin, StopBadBots, has protected thousands of sites, giving us unique knowledge of the real-world attack tactics we see every day. Using this knowledge, we didn't replace Comodo's work. We strengthened it. We added a new layer of intelligent defense. Our custom rules complement the existing protection, focusing on recent attack vectors, aggressive bots, and vulnerabilities that emerge constantly. And the practical result? Our tests are clear. By combining Comodo's solid foundation with our additional layer of rules, the firewall now blocks practically double the number of unwanted visits, like malicious bots and break-in attempts. And the best part? Our goal is to make the web a safer place. That's why these advanced rules are completely free and available for download on our website. This isn't just an update, it's an essential reinforcement for real security. Be a part of this movement and protect your server today. StopBadBots.com